Here is the family. So, Wally, you have a rest today. Miss Calamity, it's your special day to shine. Let's go. She's so much heavier than Wally. Oh, my keys. Still have my 3 sets of balls there. Oh, that's it. Did a bit of a garage clean up the other day. Zen Motorcycles is meeting point number 1. It's only 7:30. We meet at 8, leave by 8:30. Naturally, I'm here much earlier than is required.
Early bird gets the worm. I like it.
Yeah, I'm always early. It's not a bad little roll-up. Not all of these bikes are coming on the ride, but we've got some